Did you know that nearly 50% of developers now prefer TypeScript over JavaScript for their new projects? It's no secret that both languages have their strengths, but which one is the right choice for your next project? Stick around, and let's find out why so many developers are making the switch. In this video, we're going to explore the key differences between JavaScript and TypeScript, and how each one can impact your development process. Whether you're just starting out or an experienced developer, understanding the strengths of these languages will help you make better project decisions. One of the common challenges developers face is deciding which language to use for a new project. Should you stick with the flexibility of JavaScript or embrace the structure and safety of TypeScript? Without a clear understanding of what each language offers, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Making the wrong choice could lead to unnecessary debugging, performance issues, or even a complete rewrite down the road. Let's dive deeper into the strengths and weaknesses of JavaScript and TypeScript. First, JavaScript has been the backbone of web development for decades. It's lightweight, interpreted directly by the browser, and has a huge ecosystem of libraries and frameworks like React, Vue, and Angular. Its flexibility allows you to write code quickly without worrying too much about types. But this flexibility can become a double-edged sword, especially as your codebase grows. Without strict type checking, you may introduce subtle bugs that are hard to catch until runtime, which can lead to frustrating debugging sessions. On the other hand, TypeScript was introduced to solve this exact problem by adding static typing. TypeScript allows you to define the type of variables, function parameters, and return values. This means errors can be caught earlier during development before the code is executed. TypeScript also enables better tooling, with features like auto-completion, navigation, and refactoring, which makes it easier for developers to work on larger, more complex projects. The trade-off, however, is that TypeScript introduces an additional learning curve, particularly for developers who are new to strongly typed languages. It also requires a compilation step before your code runs, adding some overhead to the development process. But there's more to consider. TypeScript isn't just about type safety. It also brings modern JavaScript features like classes, interfaces, and async/await to projects that might need to support older browsers. This means you can write more structured and modern code while still compiling it down to JavaScript that work everywhere. However, in smaller or more dynamic projects, the strictness of TypeScript might feel cumbersome. In those cases, JavaScript's flexibility and speed can help you move faster, especially in prototypes or when working alone. So when should you choose TypeScript over JavaScript, or vice versa? If you're working on a large-scale application with multiple developers, TypeScript can significantly reduce the likelihood of bugs and improve long-term maintainability. On the other hand, if you're prototyping or working on a small project with a quick turnaround, JavaScript's flexibility might be just what you need. Ultimately, the decision comes down to the scope of your project and your team's experience with both languages. To sum it up, both JavaScript and TypeScript have their place in modern development. The key is understanding when to leverage the strengths of each. TypeScript excels in larger, more complex projects, while JavaScript shines in fast-paced, flexible environments. Now that you've got the inside scoop, what's your preference? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on programming languages and development best practices. Thanks for watching.